Hello, I'm Lucy. I am the co-founder of Gogoherb. I started my dropshipping website last year, and at first I used a Shopify template to build a website, but soon I find it is not very useful, and I couldn't make it what I want. So I know I need to switch to a page builder. I search around and I find that the EComposer because the price is fair and the reviews is fantastic. After switching to EComposer, the conversion rate boosts up and my website look much more professional and user friendly. I think the best part is the customer service because at first I don't really have enough knowledge to build a website, even though it is easy enough. So they always answer me fast and supportive. At the end, I just want to say, if you thinking of what page builder do you want to use, I highly recommend it. A composer for a startup company. So try it today and enjoy your EComposer journey. Thank you.